Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices, charge the controller, and enable Bluetooth on your Chromebook now. Open Settings and toggle Bluetooth, because pairing requires active radios. Once done, check Chrome OS updates and install any pending patches to ensure compatibility. Older builds sometimes miss controller profiles. Make sure the controller is in pairing mode. Hold the specific pairing buttons on your Nintendo controller so the Chromebook can detect it. These steps get the hardware and software ready before trying to connect. Next, put the controller into pairing mode and let the Chromebook find it. For Joy-Con, press the small sync button. For a Pro controller, hold the sync button until LEDs blink. On Chromebook, choose Add Device or Scan for nearby Bluetooth devices and select the controller entry when it appears. You may see a pairing request. Accept it. No PIN is usually required. Once paired, the system will show connected. Test input in a game or Chrome OS controller tester to verify buttons and sticks respond. Finish by configuring controls and confirming stable performance. If a game needs remapping, use its controller settings or a mapping extension so inputs match expectations. If connections drop or inputs lag, toggle Bluetooth off and on, unpair and repair the controller, and move closer to the Chromebook to avoid interference. If problems persist, reset the controller per Nintendo instructions or reboot the Chromebook. One key troubleshooting tip: repairing often fixes unresponsive buttons and resolves most intermittent connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.